I bought $72,000 worth of Tesla stock, and in this video, I'm gonna be talking about why I did it, where I got in, and where I plan to take profit and get out. So guys, this is my opinion only. This is not any financial advice. This is for educational purposes only, and because I want to document my trade and my journey with this Tesla stock. So as you guys can see, Tesla stock is currently at $188. It's under 600 billion market cap. And I am going to talk a little bit about the technicals so I can show you guys where I plan to take profit, and a little bit about the financials so we can see why I bought into Tesla stock. But let's just get right into the positions, because I know that's what you guys just want to see. So I did buy Tesla stock in two separate accounts. I bought it on one for a swing trade and one for a long term. So I'm going to show you the swing trade account first and then the long term account first. So I bought 300 shares over here and 55 shares over here. So this is my first account. Tesla stock, 300 shares at $207. I'm currently down 6.5% or $4,000 on this position. And I was actually down 15% the other day when Tesla stock went to 175. So I was down 15% over here, and I was down like 9,200, 9,300. So I've actually got a little bit of the money back because Tesla's gone back up. So I did throw, I believe, $62,000. Yes, I did. 62,300 shares at 207. So you see 300 shares, negative 4,000. Cost basis was 62, but the market value is obviously 58 because it's negative 4. And those at 207, guys. And I do plan on adding more to this position. I'm either going to be buying more tomorrow or on Wednesday. I want to buy like either 50, 60, or 70 more shares. I have to see how many I could buy. And we're going to drop that average from 207. We're going to drop it a little bit lower. So honestly, guys, make sure to subscribe so you guys can see that video and you can see the new average cost basis, what it's going to be in a few days. And now this next position is the one that I am not touching for years. I'm talking about, I'm 21 right now. I want to hold this Tesla stock till I'm at least 30 years old, 9 years. Now you say you're going to hold the stock 9 years. You end up holding it 2 because the profit's like this. Then you watch it run up on 30. You're crazy as hell. But no, in all seriousness, this is the one I'm gonna hold for the long term. 55 shares. The cost basis was 10,100, and I'm up $455. But I got in on those Tesla shares at Tesla 55, $185. So I bought these 55 shares at 185. As you can see, I'm up 4.4%, $400. And these are the one I'm going to hold long. Now, honestly, I could hold the other 300 shares long term. I'm talking about 2025, 2026, beginning of 2027, right now till June of 2024, because I'm not in a hurry, guys. That's the thing with Tesla stock. I'm not in a hurry with this stock to take profit. It's not like if I need to take the profit next week, if I need the money right now, I could just vibe, chill, and have the longest swing trade ever. That's my mentality with both of these, with the long term and with the swing trade account. So the reason I bought into Tesla stock is because I believe in their FSD, their Dojo systems, their Dojo chips, full self-driving chips, their Tesla bot, their robo-taxis, and I do not see Tesla in the future as a car company. I see them as an AI and robotics company, my opinion. Now, if you want to get into the financials about the EBITDA and the EPS and the PE ratios and the free cash flow, I'm going to just keep it simple. Revenue goes up, cost of revenue comes down, profit margins goes up, everything else will fall in place. The PE ratio, the earnings per share, free cash flow, and that's where I see Tesla going in the future. If you want to measure it short-term, quarter by quarter right now with these financials that they be throwing, you go ahead and do that. That's not what I'm looking at Tesla stock at. I'm looking at it, I'm talking about, I think this revenue is going to be like in the 40, 50 billions, which is going to be crazy. I know. I think their cost of revenue is going to be coming down. Profit margin is going to be in the 30, 40%. We'll have to see. Maybe I'm crazy. But I'm not talking about 2024 or 2025. I'm talking about later on in the decade, around 26, 27, maybe 28. Now, short term, obviously, I want to have a swing trade and take profit on the freaking 300 shares. You know, I want to have long term the 55, but on those 300 shares that I have right now, where do I plan to take profit? Honestly, guys, right here, either 250, the top of this range at 265, because if you go on daily, it's going to be 265, or the top of this range at $300. And honestly, we're going to have to wait and see, guys. Tesla's a very volatile stock. It could go to 220, back down to 170, then back up to 230, then from 230 back down to 190. You don't know where Tesla's stock is going to be. And honestly, I'm going to have to see even if I even sell in 250, 265, because you guys already know the mother of all trend lines on Tesla stock. If you guys don't know the mother of all trend lines, there's a trend line on Tesla stock that once Tesla stock breaks that trend line, Lord knows where the stock is going to be. after 3 years of getting rejected on this. So if you guys actually look at it on the weekly, this was 2021, the all-time high. 1, 2, 3. Then we kept going. 2022, we dipped. We came back up last year in July. We tried to break it in October. We try to break it now in January. This trend line, when we break this, Lord knows where the stock is going to be, and if we could go flying to 350s or to $400. So honestly, guys, Tesla stock, I say I'm going to take profit at 250 to the $300 range, but I'm just going to have to see and wait to see how it behaves when we get there. And I'm just going to keep dollar cost averaging into Tesla stock. I'm going to update another video when I change that $207 average on the swing trade position. So make sure you guys subscribe for that. So if you guys don't want to miss it. But this trend line right here is honestly another reason I'm bought in Tesla. Obviously, you don't want to buy a company just because of freaking technical analysis. You buy because of the fundamentals. But looking at the technicals, man, Tesla stock is going to be a bomb the day we break this. And by the time we break this, the stock is going to be like at 250. I might even be in the money with some profit. It might be like at 250, 240s, 260s. So we'll have to see how it behaves from here to there, guys. That's all I have on Tesla stock. That's my current Tesla stock position. I do plan on buying more, and I'm really excited for Tesla stock towards the end of 2024, beginning of 2025, and 2026, guys. I'm really excited to see where this company is going to come, even though those could be a few years of growth, to be honest, 2024, 5, and 6. But I'm really excited, and let's see where this stock and this company goes, guys. That's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.